Ooh. Tighten it up. Let's go fly this puppy. Gosh dang it, I don't have two hands. Kind of windy out here, but we're gonna try this out anyway. Oh my gosh. Look at that. First flight. Kind of scary, but let's see how this works. Please, Lord, do not do what it did last night. Oh my God. That's sick.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you.
I think that's how you turn down the exposure, up the exposure, this little right joystick here. It's already recording, so 90 feet. I'm gonna turn on that, turn up that. Tilt speed, turn that baby up. Vertical speed, turn that baby up. See how we do this now. Okay.
Take it slow.
That's freaking great! Are you kidding me? Oh God.
What?
Just fell.
Huh?
It was just right up here and it just... Beep, 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 beep.
Fell?
Yeah. Well, it broke.
It did?
Yep.
And it just dropped?
Yep. Yeah.
It's covered.
I went out there with it and I came up and it worked fine and I went around and then I came right here and I went down a little bit and it just, and then you just see the thing like, I don't know.
Where is the
The propellers are in this general area. I mean, it said the max height and it said like 200 feet. So I just went ahead and did it at like 70 to be safe.
Stay back on?
That kind of goes.
Yeah. We'll get you a better one.
We can't find these back propellers either, because I don't know. Look at that. And I know it didn't hit a tree, because it was like 80 feet up in the air. So, I don't really know what happened. This thing right here has to be pointed towards it, and it was. And I don't know what happened. I don't even know if this thing still works. Look at that. Maybe it'll still turn on. I don't know. I'm gonna try to get footage off of it though.
And if you hook it up to that, it won't come on?
Not if the power's not on. Oh.
There you go.
Oh. It's alive.
cool.
That's awesome. Work it, but
Oh my god.
yeah, I was like, whoa, that's awesome. I actually might have hit a tree. No way that's hitting a tree. Here in a second.
You may have hit a tree.
No way I hit a tree. There's
I
no
know, but-
tree
I know,
300
but
feet in the air.
Those trees in the back.
No way they're this high in the air. Look. If I don't hit it right now, then how does it hit it whenever I'm coming over here? Look.
It falls through trees. Watch.
There ain't no trees there.